guys, with I Love Jesus channel, I am Simregam. Greetings to you all in the sweet name of Jesus Christ. Hope all of you are doing good. Today, we are going to discuss on very popular and very important question which many people do ask. How the 12 disciples of Jesus Christ died or martyred. Before watching the video, let me tell you, there is no clear evidence. Also, the Bible doesn't even give us the clear evidence how the disciples died, but still there are some traditional beliefs and some historical background which tell us how the disciples died, and I have collected some of those famous and popular evidences and brought to you through this video. The purpose of making this video is that you may know how the disciples face the challenges in their life and in their ministries, and how they rejected to deny their faith in Jesus Christ, and how they sacrificed their life. So let's look into the video. The name of the 12 disciples of Jesus Christ are
Simon, whom he also named Peter, and Andrew, his brother, James, and John, Philip, and Bartholomew, Matthew, and Thomas, James the son of Alphaeus, and Simon called Zelotes, and Judas the brother of James, and Judas Iscariot, which was the traitor.
Peter, the son of Jonas, was a fisherman who lived in Bethsaida and Capernaum. Actually, his name was Simon, but Jesus Christ gave him the name Peter, means rock. It is he who confessed and declared Jesus as the Son of living God. Also, it is he who denied Christ before a mirror. It is said that he did evangelistic and missionary work among the Jews, going as far as Babylon. Tradition says Nero the Great crucified him in Rome, but before he died, Peter requested,
I will not fail you this time, Lord. If I am to be crucified, I beg a favor, that I may be crucified upside down. For I am not worthy to die in the same manner as my Lord.
So he crucified upside down on a cross. Andrew, brother of Peter, he was a fisherman before Jesus called him. Originally, he was a disciple of John the Baptist. He brought his brother Peter to Jesus. He is claimed by 3 countries as their patron saint: Russia, Scotland, and Greece. Many scholars say that he preached in Scythia and Asia Minor. According to tradition, Andrew martyred in Achaia, Greece, when Governor Aeneas' wife was healed and converted to the Christian faith. And shortly after that, the governor's brother became a Christian, so Aeneas was enraged. He arrested Andrew and condemned him to die on the cross. It is said that Andrew, feeling unworthy to be crucified and the same shaped cross as his master, so he begged that his be different. So he crucified on an X-shaped cross. James, the son of Zebedee, and Salome, the brother of John the Apostle, a fisherman who lived in Bethsaida and Jerusalem. He preached in Jerusalem and Judea and was beheaded by Herod Agrippa. The New Testament tells us very little about James, the son of Zebedee, but also he was the first of the 12 to become a martyr. John, the brother of James and son of Zebedee, the smallest in 12, he was known as the beloved disciple of Jesus. He is the author of John the Gospel and 1st and 2nd and 3rd John and Revelation. He preached among the churches of Asia Minor. Also he went Rome with Peter. It is said, through his preaching the persecutor of Rome put him under the basin of boiling oil, but he was miraculously delivered from death. Also the Roman persecutor gave him a chalice of drink with poison, but when he took that cup of poison, then the poison had gone, and a snake appeared in it. After that, a chalice with snake in it his chamber. The rest of his life he was in the Isle of Patmos. There he wrote his prophetical book of Revelation. There he died as an old man, the only apostle to die peacefully. Philip was from Bethsaida. The Gospel of John shows Philip as one of the first to whom Jesus addressed the word, "Follow me." The tradition says that he preached in Phrygia and died as martyr at Hytapolis. It is said that he was hanged until death. While he was dying, he requested that his body be wrapped not in linen but in papyrus, for he was not worthy that even his dead body should be treated as the body of Jesus Christ had been treated. Bartholomew, also known as Nathanael, son of Talmai, who lived in Cana of Galilee. Tradition says that he was a missionary in Armenia. His first name probably was Nathanael, whom Jesus called an Israelite indeed, in whom there is no guilt. The New Testament gives us very little information about him, but a tradition says that he came to India and preached. It is said he was flayed alive with knives. Thomas, who lived in Galilee. He was a man who could not believe until he had seen. Also he was the man of devotion and of faith. When Jesus rose, he came back and invited Thomas to put his finger in the nail prints in his hands and in the side. The tradition says that he came to India in AD 52. Also they believe that Christianity was brought to India in the 1st century by St. Thomas. He established 7 churches in South India, not only in India, but he preached in Syria and China also. And in AD 72, he was murdered during when Madrasi people against his preaching. It is said that he was commissioned to build a palace for the king of India, and then he was killed. He was stabbed with a spear in Mahilapur, India. Matthew or Levi, the son of Alphaeus, lived in Capernaum. He was a tax collector before Jesus called him. The meaning of his name is a gift of God. He preached in many countries, and he wrote the gospel that bears his name. Some tradition says he did not martyr, and some tradition says he martyred in Ethiopia. He was killed with spears and then beheaded. James, the son of Alphaeus, the brother of Apostle Jude. He was from Galilee. It is said he preached in Palestine and Egypt. One tradition says he was crucified in Egypt, and other tradition says while he was preaching in Jerusalem, the Jewish community stoned him and his body was shred in pieces. Thaddeus or Jude, the son of Alphaeus, the brother of Apostle James. Tradition says he preached in Assyria and Persia. It is said that he went to preach the gospel in Athens and near the Euphrates River. Then he moved from there to another place. While he was in the Ararat city, there he refused to deny his faith in Jesus Christ. Then there he was killed with arrows. Simon the Zealot lived in Galilee. It is said that he was around 40 years old when he became apostle. Also it is said he preached in Britain, Mesopotamia, Africa, and then England. Tradition says he was crucified and beaten on it. Judas Iscariot, who betrayed Jesus for 30 pieces of silver. He was the son of Simon, who lived in Kerioth of Judah. When he betrayed Jesus, afterwards he regretted for his work and went out of the city of Jerusalem and hanged himself on a tree.